What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are on day 7. Fox has been trucking along this morning, got this outside sheared. Still need to shear that out there. He's working on the deck right now. I'm gonna hop up there and help him in just a bit, but first we have to move some material around. So day 7, anytime we're done on a job site, we have to do a couple things. Depending on who the builder is, we have to 1, scrap out, 2, get all the material that we're not using that needs to go back to the yard up front to where it can be picked up. On this project, for instance, we have all these sheets that were extra, that LVL there, a bunch of scraps, 2x12 fascia. We have a bunch of 2x12 fascia here because we have 2x12 rafters. Therefore, we needed 2x14 fascia to where we have a little bit of an overhang to where our lid can run into it. 2x12 with 2x12 rafters wouldn't have looked good. I don't know about the sawdust port. Deck is almost sheeted out right now. Got PL 400 gluing it all down right now. Going crazy. We're looking a little tight.
Yeah, I just cut the line.
Nice and tight out there. We're good. You give the bottom a pin right there. Alright, you guys, we're working on some fun stuff right now. We got a can of paint. We have different call outs here for strap details connecting the second to the first floor. So we need to go through and mark all these out, get some straps cut. They're 4 foot long that we need to cut. So what we're doing is connecting the post with the HDU4 up to the second story. See some green paint right down there, another little blob right down there. Connection goes for the double kings up there down to a post that's in this wall here. There's a hold down right down there. We have another one that goes on this corner here. We're gonna get that tossed in right now. A couple on the back side to do as well. Fox is filling in our rim back here right now. Gonna get that all nailed off. Then we have a connection, little green dot, from there up. 2 more inside of here. 1 over there, 1 right there. So we finished up the day with a little bit of interior framing, got some of these rake walls popped out. Still have a few more to go. 2 little guys in there. That's a door, little wall there, little wall there. We are done. So to give you guys an idea of how we operate, when we get close to ending a project, we set up little punch lists. Tomorrow, need to finish these walls, these little guys in here. CMST transfers, there's 2 of them right out there. 2 of them right down there. CS14 perforated shear from that window there over, that window there and over. For the deck shear underneath the shear panel, just where siding goes straight down. Cut door plates, these door plates here. Scrap out and clean up. We're almost done on this project, you guys. After banging out the majority of it, we kind of slowed down taking our time, making sure everything's nice and right. But we'll still be done ahead of schedule, way ahead of schedule. Move on to the next project and do it all over again. But that is all we have time for, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. We just hit 22,000. Cannot thank you guys enough. I will see you guys next time. Bang on.